Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab Active2, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this device. So I grabbed one of the SIM eject tools, even though I don't actually need it, so I'm just going to yeet it out of the screen. And what you want to do is simply pop off the cover. Let me fix it up just so you can see it better. So there we go. So as you can see, we have a little place where we can put our fingernail and just pry this off. And in here you have this rather large in size battery, small in capacity. So what you want to do is take it out by, as you can see right here, pushing basically upwards, and then just pry it out. This will give you access to the SIM and SD tray. So I'm gonna start off with the SD, I believe. Let's see. Okay, so the top one is SD card, and the bottom one will be the SIM card. Let's see if I need to do anything with it. Now, the placement of it's not the easiest one to insert it in. Okay, so there we go. So it is the smallest in size SIM card, so at least that's nice. Let's also pop in the SD card right here. So that's how they fit in. Pop the battery back in. Now I'm not going to be covering it just yet, I'm going to power it back on so we can see it turn on. Now, if I would be actually pressing the power key instead of volume down, there we go. So as you can see, the device booted up. Let's unlock it. Now it already is reading the SD card, which should be, there we go, visible right here. And obviously SIM card should be working as well. So anyway, that is how you'd insert SIM and SD card into this device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.